According to latest reports, the Indian Air Force will get 21 MiG-29 fighter jets upgraded to the latest standards by Russia, which will cost around 200 crore rupees per aircraft, and they will augment the existing 62 MiG-29 fighter jets that are also being upgraded, to give them an all-weather multi-role capability, and there are 15 more unused MiG-29 fighter jets in Russia. Top experts have said that the MiG-29 fighter jets will continue to remain good for another 10 to 15 years, but the bigger problem is the phasing out of 9 squadrons of the MiG-21 and 2 squadrons of MiG-27 over the next 5 years. Only 2 squadrons of Rafale fighter jets, 2 squadrons of the Tejas light combat aircraft and 18 more Su-30 fighter jets would be added in the coming years, but it will still not make up for the shortfall, making the total squadron strength to 28 by 2022. After the downing of the Global Hawk drone by Iran, the Indian military establishment is prompted to rethink over the acquisition of American-made armed drones, on account of their cost and questions over their survivability. The three services had planned to buy 30 drones from the US at a cost of $6 billion, but the Indian Air Force has internally raised questions about its survivability in a contested airspace, with both potential adversaries equipped with top-of-the-line surface-to-air systems. The other significant reason behind the Indian rethink is the prohibitive price tag, as the cost of a drone platform will be around $100 million, and a full complement of laser-guided systems or Hellfire systems will cost another $100 million. India's hypersonic vehicle demonstration project has taken a firm shape, and officials have said that the Indian hypersonic vehicle is designed to travel 24 times faster than the speed of sound, and with a minimum speed of 6 Mach, it can reach its target placed at 45 km in barely 20 seconds. The Indian defense capability can also be strengthened manifold with the use of hypersonic propulsion technology in the field of long-range ballistic systems, high-speed reconnaissance drones, and air defense interceptor systems. The DRDO intends to carry out an actual hypersonic flight demonstration within a year, during which the vehicle will fly for a significant duration of time. The former head of the Gas Turbine Research Organization has said that there are nearly 40 aircraft manufacturers in the world, but only 5 countries are successful in engine design. He also said that the Indian aircraft engine program can be set back by decades if it is not provided by adequate funding or support. The former chief of projects of the engine division of Hindustan Aeronautics has said that the composition of engine components is hard to replicate, and India is not like China, as India respects the intellectual property of other countries. The French ambassador Alexander Ziegler has said that the 36 Rafale fighter jets program is on track, and the first aircraft will be delivered to the Indian Air Force in September this year. The Rafale F4 standard has been proposed by Dassault Aviation to meet the new requirement of 114 fighter jets for the Indian Air Force, and this comes with the full support of the French government. The naval version of the Rafale is physically very close to the Air Force version, and has also been proposed to meet the requirement of 57 carrier-borne fighter jets for the Indian Navy. He also said that France is looking forward to the next steps of these 2 ongoing competitions, and it is up to the Indian government to select the most appropriate proposals to address its needs and priorities.